Hey everyone, welcome back. Bill pay errors can be frustrating, but here's how to fix them. First of all, check that the payee's information is entered correctly or not. Then ensure that your account has sufficient funds to cover the payment. After that, head over to your app store, search for the Truist mobile app and then update it. Sometimes error like Truist Bill Pay error occurs because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Then go ahead and try to log in and log out to refresh the settings. If error continues, contact Truist support to confirm no system issue or temporary maintenance. Once these steps are followed, your bill pay should process successfully, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.